Professor Tayo, do you think the ICI achieved anything in the months that they were holding these hearings investigating, considering the widely criticized saying na they don't have teeth, wala silang real powers, they lack powers to subpoena, to contempt, etc.?
Alam mo, ilang beses na akong tinanong dyan, no? Pero let me start by saying, again, I agree entirely with what Dr. Guido mentioned. This opened the can of worms, so to speak. I'll be bolder enough to add, no, that the fact that he became president, well, the Marcoses were literally in the doldrums for a point, no, and the fact that he managed to get back to the saddle, so to speak, and even become the president of the republic. That means this guy is a seasoned politician, no? In other words, as a seasoned politician, you would know whether or not something that you're going to do is going to benefit you or not. To my mind, hindi niya inisip yun eh. Kasi kung inisip niya yun, hindi na lang yung bigla-bigla na lang pasasabugin yun. And I know this for a fact. I'm not from the inner circle. Again, as a qualification, Dr. Guido mentioned earlier. No, but what I know, at least from those I'm able to share stories with who one way or the other are connected still in the government, none of them were consulted. In other words, all of those allied with the president were surprised, no, with this revelation of the president. So, in other words, if this was a calculated move, this would have been there would have been some choreography, so to speak, that was established from the get-go, no, as far as the whole administration is concerned. But this was not the case, no, that was followed. There was no script, so to speak. Hence, for obvious reasons, no, wala ngang script, wala namang sinusunod na choreography, and talagang nagbumerang sa kanya being the commander-in-chief. And I think that's the reason why the numbers of the president have been dipping, no? Not because he's he's unpopular, but simply because he's the president. Whether you like it or not, ang attention ng tao nandun naman sa presidente, hindi naman doon sa tao na wala namang ginagawa. No, I'm sorry, no, but that is something that needs to be qualified. Not to mention, of course, wala pang lumalabas kasi na kalaban pagdating ng 2028. And to be honest, it's quite early, no, to even look at the numbers as indicative already of what's going to happen in 2028. Dapat balikan natin yung mga nangyari nung panahon nung sino ba to? Yung speaker dati na tumakbo, no? And eventually natalo. Villar also is another interesting story. He was very much leading when he declared his intent to run for president, and then suddenly, no, hindi naman siya nanalo, no, and ganun din with the former Vice President Jojo Binay, no. So to my mind, if you're going to ask me, ang aga pa, no, to see and say that this is what's going to happen in the 2028. Sa akin kabit-kabit lahat ito no, and this is the reason why ay pinipilit nila na panagutin ang Pangulo dito. But the truth of the matter is, this is really systemic. That's why it opened a can of worms. Now, that brings me to ICI. Bakit ba kinailangan ng ICI? Kasi nga systemic yung problema, Pauline. Well, we cannot just rely on our existing institutions because one way or the other, may kulang, no? And again, even if, for the sake of argument, we have created a more potent, no, a more powerful ICI, kailan ba ito in-expose? July yung SONA. Ano ng buwan ngayon? So, sa madalit sabi, sa 6 na buwan, may nakita na ba tayong criminal proceeding na nagkaroon ng conclusion in 6 months? Ang problema lang, kasi nga, ang tawag dito, ginagamit, no, itong issue na ito politically, at na kumbaga parang nga sinasabi nila, there's a particular group that's free from corruption. Can you believe that? I mean, if you hear that kind of line, no, immediately it somehow leads to more questions, no? Kung akong tatanungin mo, which again, I'm sure of course nakasama sa line of questioning mo itong mga nepo babies, no? But puntahan ko na 'yon kasi hindi ko na kabit-kabit din 'yan, ano? Alam mo,
Yes.
it's good to be vocal. It's good to be noisy, no? But the sound that comes out of your mouth should have substance. Pag tingnan mo itong mga expose ni former Congressman Saldico, ni Congressman Kiko at nito ni Leandro, ano bang meron doon sa tinatawag pa nilang Cabral files? Alam mo, kapag walang pinag-iba yan doon sa, I mean, any budget will have a list. And I'm sure everyone who actually understands how the government works knows that when you speak of the budget, there will be a list and there will be numbers there. So I mean, what's the point in saying that, hey, oh, ito pala si Guido, nag-insert ng ganitong amount. O ito pala si Ed, nag-insert ng ganitong amount. What's the point? Does it necessarily mean that because we inserted this amount, sa amin napunta yung pera? Kaya nga, ito nga, lagi kong ina-explain ito. This is the reason why there was so much issue in the Senate, no, for a time, because the members of the Senate were insisting, tingnan muna natin tong DPWH, hindi dahil sa sinasabi nila na wala silang kasalanan, kung hindi, there has to be some way to tie up, no, the whole process, no, from insertion to the consummation of the project. Because it doesn't mean that because you inserted this X amount, no, that means you're already culpable, and that means that you've already abused your authority and pocketed the billions of pesos that's involved. Hindi eh. Kailangan maitawid mo paano napunta doon sa project, and when the project was paid for, paano napunta yung ibinayad doon sa proponent. So, yun ang kulang doon sa storya. Ngayon, nagkaroon tayo ng listahan, whether inagaw yung listahan na yan or hindi, sa akin, it doesn't really matter eh. Ang question, meron bang makikita doon sa listahan? Para kang nagpunta sa, I've always likened it to, asking your house help to, you go to the grocery, there's this grocery list. Bumalik yung
Right.
house help mo, dala pa din yung grocery list. Ibig bang sabihin na bili yung mga nandun sa grocery list dahil meron siyang dalang listahan? Hindi ganun eh, no? So, in other words, to my mind, again, these are all noise, and we should go beyond the noise. Now, whether or not the ICI has done its work or not, if I'm not mistaken, there are already some cases that are being filed left and right. It's not yet done. And I'm not even going to say close to having started the whole difficult challenge of the whole difficult was this call and mandate, no, to have all those accountable. Again, at the end of the
Well,
day, it's systemic, and the approach should be systemic as well.